Hi guys, Weather King here, and today it is August 16th, 17th, 2025, and this is your weather news from Weather King. This disturbance right now has a 20% chance of forming in the next 7 days, and nothing during the next 48 hours or 2 days. Meanwhile, this system has a 10% chance of forming in the next 7 days or the next 48 hours. This thing's just gonna get absorbed. And finally, Hurricane Aaron, which actually peaked, at 160 miles per hour yesterday. And the thing with this app is it allows you to go back in time. You can see its tracking history. Right now, this thing has gone down to 125 miles per hour as of 5 a.m. right now. As you can see, it's supposed to strengthen back up and then it's supposed to weaken back down. As you can see, this the cone, and yeah, that's everything for the storm. Let's actually go over to the GFS model right now. See if anything has changed here. You see, there's that storm, but there's also this, which is now changed to impacting some point in the Louisiana at some point, which is a little concerning, but I think we can deal with it. And that, my friends, will be everything. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow or whenever there's an update.